I made this entire faceless YouTube video in an hour using a tool called Sollo AI. Here's exactly how you can do the same and start making money from a faceless YouTube channel, even if you're busy working a full-time job and you only have an hour or two free in the evening. Step 1. Pick a specific niche and find proven video ideas. First off, pick what your channel's about and don't go broad. A channel about self-improvement won't go anywhere because it's too vague for YouTube to know who to show it to. Go narrow instead, like productivity, time management techniques, or becoming more confident. The more specific you are, the faster the algorithm finds the right people. If you're not sure where to start, pull up Claude and ask it for micro niches using a prompt like this. Let's say we go for digital minimalism for Gen Z. To find ideas that already work, there are two methods worth knowing. The first is niche quilting. This is when you take a title or format that's winning in one niche and adapt it to a related one. So we could take a title like Psychology of People Who Delete Social Media, It's Not What You Think, and adapt that to Psychology of People Who Doom Scroll, It's Not What You Think. It has the same pull, but it's about a different idea. The second is niche mixing. This is when you pull bits from a few different channels and combine them. You might take the thumbnail style from one, the title format from another, and the way a third one structures its videos, then stitch all three into something that feels new. Either way, you're not copying anyone outright. You're building on what already works. Step 2. Research unique facts for the video. This is the part that decides whether people actually watch your videos until the end. If your video just says what every other video already said, people click off and YouTube stops pushing it. So I go to Claude and ask for the weird, lesser-known details most people have never heard using this prompt. I'm not asking it to write the script just to dig up the facts, because that's what it's good at. Then I keep the best 5 or 6 and save them. These are what the whole video gets built around, and they make people feel like they're learning something new, not the same recycled facts. Step 3. Generate the script with Sollo AI. Most people open ChatGPT, ask for a YouTube script, and get back something boring that nobody wants to sit through. Those tools were built for everyone, not for YouTube creators specifically, so you get something average. Sollo AI is a tool built specifically for faceless YouTube automation. Sign up if you don't have an account already using the link in the description. Once you're in, head to the dashboard. Click on Content and then on YouTube Script Writer. I tell it what the video's about in my own words. Then I paste in my title. For the details, I can just click on Text Note and then copy and paste the facts I got from Claude. Then it asks for a style reference, which is one of my favorite parts. I find a video in my niche that performed well, paste the link, and now my script comes out in that same rhythm instead of sounding like a robot. For monetization, I set it to maximize ad revenue. Then, I set the length to 10 minutes and hit Generate Script. A minute later, the full script's there. If a section feels thin, there's a button to add 500 or 1,000 more words wherever you want. Read it over once and fix anything that doesn't sound like what you'd say. Once you're done editing, copy the text for the next step. Step 4. Generate all visual scenes in Sollo AI. It used to take me hours to create visuals for my YouTube videos. I'd get Claude to create an image prompt for me, paste it into an image generator, wait 2 minutes, get one scene, then do it again for the next one, over and over. Plus, I'd get a watermark and a random file name I couldn't tell apart later. With Sollo, I just click on Visuals here, and then open the scene generator. I paste the script from the last step, pick the style and how many scenes I want, and it makes all of them at once. If you have a character that you want to stay consistent in your videos, you can set that here too. Give it a couple of minutes and then look through the images. If one's messed up or doesn't match the script, regenerate it. They download numbered in order, so when you edit, you're not sitting there trying to work out which image goes where. Step 5. Create the voiceover. For the voiceover, you've got 3 options. Read it yourself, which is free and can make you stand out, because a real voice with a bit of accent or personality beats an AI one every time. Pay a freelancer, which gets pricey fast since a lot of them charge by the word. Or use Sollo's VoiceOver Studio, where there are thousands of voices to pick from. Choose one, paste the script, and it reads the whole script in seconds. Whatever you go with, play it back and fix anything that sounds off before you move on. especially any names it might pronounce wrong. Step 6. Edit the video in CapCut. You don't need any video editing skills for this. Download CapCut, it's free. Bring in your scenes, your voiceover, and some quiet background music. Drop the voiceover on the timeline first, then line up each scene with what's being said, so the visuals keep moving without looking like a slideshow. Add a slow zoom on the first couple of scenes to pull people in. Turn on auto captions, then go to the templates and pick a clean one, and keep the text fairly small so it's not covering the whole screen. Keep the music low so it sits under the voice instead of fighting it. Then, export it in the best quality. That's your video done. Step 7. Create a clickable thumbnail and upload correctly. This part decides whether anyone even clicks on your video in the first place. Don't just repeat your title, add to it. You want one clear focal point, strong contrast so it stands out in the feed, 6 words at most, and something that makes people curious about what's going on. The trick that works in any niche is to show the result without explaining it. You can make this in Sollo's Thumbnail Maker. Just type in what you want and click on Create Thumbnail. Make sure it looks good and then download the image. Now, you're ready to post your video. If you don't already have your channel set up, make sure to fill out your channel settings properly, your country, your keywords, your category, and verify your account, so YouTube knows there's a real person behind this and not a bot. Step 8. Analyze videos, improve, and monetize. Here's what will really help your channel grow so that you can make money from all of this. Once a video's been up a few days, drop the link into Sollo's Performance Analyzer, upload your stats from YouTube Studio, and it tells you exactly what to fix, whether that's your hook, your title, your thumbnail, or wherever people are dropping off. It even gives you a checklist for your next upload, so every video gets a bit better than the last. And one quick note on monetization. The number of views you get isn't the only thing that decides how much you get paid. The length of your videos matters too. Longer videos let you run more ads through the middle, so the same number of views pays you a lot more. So if a topic can go on for 20 or 30 minutes, let it run. Most people chase views and ignore this completely, which is why they barely make any money. And ad revenue isn't the only way to earn. Once you're getting steady views, affiliate links and brand deals pay more than the ads. The reason I run all of this through Sollo is that everything's in one place: the script, the visuals, the voice, the thumbnail, and the analytics. I'm not paying for 5 different tools just to make one video. Try it out with the link in the description. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what niche you are thinking of making videos in.